Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to hide any files without installing any software on Android. So keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. You can hide photos, videos and audios without any apps. I want to hide this photo from gallery, so go to your Android file manager. I am going to my Android file manager. Here you can see this is our targeted photos, so tap on this photo, choose rename option. This is our file name, just put the .b for your file name. And click on the OK option. You can see it's gone. Go to gallery for checking, here you can see it's gone. Try another file. Rename. OK. You can see it's gone. Now I want to unhide my file, so click on this File Manager menu option. Choose Settings option. Check mark this option, Show Hidden Files. You can see it's come back. Again rename this file, and remove dot from your file name. Again go to File Manager menu option. Choose Settings option. Unchecked mark this option, Show Hidden Files. You can hide anything from your Android file manager, use this video method. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends want to know how to hide photos, videos and audios from your Android device.